Hi guys, my name is Priyanka and I'm sure you all love decorating your homes with beautiful items. Today I'm here to talk about this amazing glass vase from Tide Ribbons. This glass vase is made from high quality crystal clear glass and is dishwasher safe. It is 22.8 cm by 6.3 cm by 7.6 cm in size and is perfect for all decor styles in offices, shops, restaurants and cafes. You can use it to fill with liquid, gemstones or rose petals, or use it to display fresh flowers arrangement, silk or dried flowers and vase fillers. This glass vase is perfect for home decor items for living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining table and even for centerpieces for tables. It also makes a great gift for any occasion. So if you're looking for something to add a touch of elegance to your home, this glass vase from Tide Ribbons is the perfect choice.
Hey there guys, this is Jyoti. When it comes to buying home decor items, there are several factors to consider to ensure you select the best products that complement your space. Whether you are looking for furniture, lighting, rugs or decorative accessories, the following guide will help you make informed choices. Assess your current decor. Take a close look at your existing decor and identify its style, color scheme and overall aesthetic. Understanding your current decor will help you select items that seamlessly blend with your existing design elements. Consider the room's purpose. Each room in your home serves a different purpose and the decor should reflect that. Consider the functionality and atmosphere you want to create in each space. For example, a living room may require comfortable seating while a bedroom might focus more on soothing colors and relaxation. Determine your preferred style. Identify the style or theme you wish to incorporate into your home. Some popular styles include contemporary, traditional, modern, rustic, industrial, bohemian, and Scandinavian. Research different styles to find one that resonates with your personal taste. Choose suitable materials. The choice of materials for your decor items play a significant role in their durability, appearance, and overall ambience. Consider the characteristics and qualities of different materials such as wood, metal, glass, fabric, leather, ceramic, or natural fibers. Choose materials that align with your desired style and fit the functionality of the item. Select colors wisely. Colors have a profound impact on the overall mood and ambience of a space. Consider the color palette of your room and choose decor items that either complement or contrast with it. You can opt for neutrals for a timeless and versatile look, or introduce pops of colors to add vibrancy and interest. Balance scale and proportion. Pay attention to the scale and proportion of your decor items in relation to the size of the room and existing furniture. Avoid overwhelming small spaces with oversized pieces or making large rooms feel empty with tiny accessories. Achieving a harmonious balance will enhance the visual appeal of your space. Experiment with textures. Textures add depth and tactile interest to your decor. Mix and match different textures such as smooth, rough, soft, or coarse to create visual and sensory contrast. Incorporate elements like velvet, linen, wood grains, metal finishes, and natural fibers to add richness and character to your space. Consider functionality. While aesthetics are important, don't overlook the functionality of your decor items. Assess your needs and select items that serve a practical purpose. For example, consider storage solutions, comfortable seating, or lighting that provides both task and ambient illumination. Personalize and showcase your personality. Lastly, don't be afraid to infuse your personality and unique style into your home decor. Select items that reflect your interests, hobbies, and memories. Display personal photographs, artwork, or sentimental objects to make your space feel truly yours. Remember, the key to successful home decor shopping is thoughtful consideration and finding the right balance between functionality, aesthetics, and personal style. Take your time, explore various options, and enjoy the process of transforming your space into a beautiful and inviting home.